to the William fam. So I am up and I'm about to, well, straighten up because I was actually up early editing and I gotta go start making, well, I'm gonna start dinner. I got laundry to do. I got the bed that I need to change. I got a bunch of stuff to do. Oh, look outside. You can see the fog. See, it's early. Early. So I'm gonna get this, start getting things ready. Okay, so meat well seasoned and thawed out. I gotta get the water on now. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna cook early so I have more time to get some other stuff done. I gotta take out things then, so let me put you guys up here a little bit. I need to get some stuff out of the fridge, and work has begun again. So I took a little bit of break. It rained for the last couple of days, but now we are my routine again. Oh, my brother-in-law did go grocery shopping for us. I just didn't vlog all of that. I was too tired. So the next time I go grocery shopping, I will show you guys how we budget down here as well, and how much we spend and how much more stuff we get differently from when we are overseas. Yes. So I'll definitely do that and see how much we save and if we get more stuff for the same amount of money that we spend. Because I think I don't even have to spend as much as I spend, and usually my budget is about $400 to $500 on groceries overseas, and that would be anywhere from just over 40 to 50,000 here for groceries, and that's for the month. Yeah, so and that is for the month. So I definitely do a grocery budget and show you guys like what we buy and just take you guys to the market with us and stuff like that. But when I do that, I will definitely take you guys along. So I started getting stuff ready for laundry, but Mr. Williams has his box going, so he's playing his music. So I'm just waiting for this water to catch and put on the stove, and then I gotta do what I gotta do and come and also make breakfast as well. So let me turn the stove on. I love me some gas. Gas, I think gas is one of the nicest stove, the better stove to cook on. The food just tastes different cooking on a gas stove or on a coal stove. Cooking on a coal, an outside wood stove, wood fire stove, or so you have what? Electrical. So you have electrical, gas, wood, and coal. And out of them, I would go, oh, so high in the ceiling. Let me put this tripod down a bit. So out of the 4 different ones, I would go gas first, wood, or maybe wood first, because back in the days it was wood and coal that they used, and then you have gas, because those are the cheaper ways, using gas, wood or coal, and then gas, and then electrical, you know, the electrical bill. You know the electrical bill. If you feel like a bad man, keep it to yourself. Don't make concern. Good morning. Alright, well, this is a big piece of time, and I need this big piece. I'm going to put some towards the, okay. So put that amount in. I can use this and drop a little pepper in it. If you feel like a bad man, keep it to yourself. Okay. So I peel those, leave that. I'll leave that on, let that keep simmering for a bit. There we go. Just need to add a little bit more water to it. Okay. Now all these cups of so much water. Guys, I've been wearing the same my hair like this for the last few years. Alright, let's go. I hope Mr. Williams don't get me no copyright. Get me no copyright. So he's outside, so I'm gonna take up these sheets now and switch up in here. I was just trying to fix a video. Miss Arissa, time to get up out of that bed and make that bed, my dear. There's no ring up in no bed today. Alright, so let me see if I can prompt you guys here. That is done. The kids need to finish making up what they're doing. Arissa, I told you to put those clothes in the bag. Please take up that bag. There's a bag there. Put them in. So I'm gonna get the laundry and start bringing it, getting it done. So is your face? So that's what I'm going to do. See this one, turn up the music, and me I have to go probably clip through the beast. Alright guys, so I'm here washing out some stuff to put in the washing machine. Yes, the girl know how to wash by her hand. Not because me there foreign, that no means I can't wash. Eh? Oh, yeah, I'm blocking her down with it. You know what me tell her who said that? No, because no people think that because you're there foreign you can't wash and you don't know. But yes, enough people who go foreign, they don't know if they wash with their hand again because they use washing machine to do everything, but you can't pre-wash certain things like your underwear and bra, and then you put them in the washing machine now. They finish. Clean up. I'm back in ideas when I have our rock people used to have to wash them clothes, man. The cleanest your clothes ever be back then. The clothes are hanged up. I'm just doing the loads of white, and Memphis made me breakfast. So I'm about to eat, and the vlog is up. It should be releasing just now, and I got some other stuff to do, and dinner is pretty much almost cooked. Mario's over here working. So he's there working. So your girl is going to eat because I am hungry. And yeah, so that is what is up. Just work for the day, and I gotta get some other stuff done, and I got a few phone calls I have to make. So that is what I am doing today. So Mr. Williams is hard at work. He's framing up there so they can get ready to cast the flooring. Yes, so that's what he's doing. The kids are inside, and as you can see, I am here editing. Got a few more things to do because I'm not done. So I'm just trying to finish and get this other vlog up for you guys as well. And there is Pussycat over there. So he's tying up steel. And I'm still doing laundry. Just got the white stem left. That's it. Yes, my God. See me. Work. I say work is being done.
Let me see your foot.
Come on, put your back into it. Me not feed you for nothing. Right, Mario? That's it. Watch it.